Hi guys, today I wanted to show you a trick I discovered working on any of these 30-inch riding mowers. It's a hassle to work under them. It's hard to get to the underside. Well, I got a quick trick which will make your life a lot easier. What you do, you need two 5-gallon buckets. Put one hand on the steering wheel and one hand on the seat back and give it a shove. Now, using the toe of your boot, and there you are. Now, what you want to do is drop the deck all the way down. Now, this will give you room up under here. Now, if you have a gas mower, you can get in there and change the belt. No problem. You might be able to change the spindle. You can get underneath and change the blade. You can clean the underside of the deck. Anything you need to do underneath, you can get to this way. And you might feel like the thing's getting ready to flip over, but it's not. It still has quite a ways to go. But even so, as you're shoving it, keep a good firm hand on the steering wheel. Just in case you're to stumble or something, you got that thing and it won't get away from you. That's the trick. Now, this mower, I discovered another trick. Not a trick, but a feature. On my gas mowers, I'm in the habit of pulling up to wherever I need to be, where I'm going to get off, and I just jump off the mower. And the seat switch kills the engine, and I walk away and I do whatever I got to do. This usually isn't when I'm parking it. This is when I'm out about the property and I'm picking up stuff or opening a gate or whatever. Anyway, this one, if you do the same thing, it'll stop. Well, your foot's off the throttle, so it'll stop, and the blade will quit like it's supposed to. However, in 10 minutes, this thing will go to sleep. It's just like the headlights on the new cars. They do that too. Did you know that on your car? Leave the headlights on for 10 or 15 minutes and see if they don't shut themselves off. I bet they do. They've been doing that since the last 10 years or so, and it's really a handy deal. You can leave your headlights on if you need your headlights to see your way up to your door, and just go ahead and go inside your house and get your keys out and unlock it and all that. And by and by, your car will shut its lights off and go to sleep. Pretty handy. Anyway, here's a trick I come across I wanted to share with you to make your life better. Taking it down is easier than taking it up. All you got to do is kick these buckets out of the way. Bring your deck back up, and you're in business. See you on the next one.